All right, y'all, welcome back. Good morning. We're bringing you in already scuffed up, ready to go. We were so close to the 24-hour mark and starting that we just went ahead. We were like 23 hours or something. We went ahead and did it anyway. You can tell it's all scuffed up here. It's all graphic. It was cleaned with isopropyl. We just wanted you to see what's going on so far. We're trying to save some video time. So if this is your first time tuning in, just know that I think it's parts times 17 and 18 is the vein work and all that stuff, scuffing it up, cleaning it. We're just trying to move past and get here, closer to the finish for everybody. But we just wanted you to see what's going on, where it's at. And, again, it was just really close to the time frame of the 24 hours, so we didn't want to risk it. If you ever get in that boat, just go ahead and scuff it up. You're not going to hurt a thing. That way, better to be safe than sorry. So we're going to go ahead now and get started on our flood coat, and we'll bring you right back in with the flood coat going down, and let's bring this sucker to life. Hey, so real quick, I want to point out something really, really crucial. This will really help you out. In doing the veins, I know they get shot out however they come out. And remember, I told you it matters how high up off the table you are and the motion of going through, which way you're holding the can. But what I want to point out is we have our top here set out just like it's going in the other room. So this is the front side. That's that little notch. And walking into our top for what we're doing, this is the first corner as you're approaching that you're going to see. So that helped us. I wanted some really cool effects and graphics right here in this area because walking up to the bar, this is the first thing people are going to see. They're not going to see all the way down here at this end. They're going to start right here and work their way down. Come on in here and let me show you what I'm talking about. So, right here where my orange juice is. Okay, look. When you come down the basement stairs, you can either take a left right here into the room, or you can take a right and walk right over here. And this is what everybody coming down here in the basement, this helps us with graphic placement. It's not just a matter of how it looks on the top. It matters what you're walking up to. If that down there by Tom was wide open and we could come through that area, then we would have targeted more on that being the possible entryway. There's only one way into this, and that's right here. So, for instance, I'll give you an example. When we walk up and look at this other counter, look at how the graphics are laid right here on this corner. And I'm going to get real specific. Remember I told you there's a bunch of different colored glitters? Now look. So you can see them all. They're all like multicolored, but the predominant is the blue. So you see the blue hit everywhere, but when you really get down in person, here in person, look at all that. It's actually a bunch of different colored glitters. So that one is nice right there, how we have that corner. This other corner that I just showed you, that is why we spent so much time right there doing the graphics in that area. And then, just like this one, right here where these two intersect, I really wanted some nice, elaborate vein work here in this area in particular. So a lot of times that's why, it's not just about putting veins on there and them looking good. It's actually looking way ahead at how your project is going to lay on the finish side, and that'll better help you apply the graphics based on what you're seeing and your measurements and how everything is laid out. So we just wanted to give you that useful tip, and hopefully that helps you at home. I'm gonna tell y'all on the front side, we got about 5 minutes, maybe 4 of video time. Just letting you know. I'll get right here beside you, brother. Yep. There's a guy called, his name is Joseph. He said yesterday, he wondered if it was raining. He heard what we're hearing right now. I thought that was cool. He thought it might be raining. So it's the same thing, you all, just like yesterday. We didn't skip nothing. Just been tied up with other things. So if this is your first time tuning in, just know you can easily go to part 19. That was the graphics going down. And then there again, we just explained how we go about the graphics, where they're at, what's going on with them. But now you're really starting to see, so this is beautiful. This is gorgeous. That is why I concentrated so much on this vein work right here. This is where I started with the vein work. And we worked it all the way down to this area. So just made everything really, really good. We're loving it. This is really going to complement that black really well. And then again, don't forget, everything on the back side, we want to keep, just like the drips, we want to keep it sharp. We'll be getting all that off.
Hey brother, we got a minute left.
Minute left. All right, so we're going to go ahead and wrap this up. This is where we're at. So everything is looking beautiful. We will bring you all in. We'll do another episode here and bring you all in with the torching and getting the drips and getting this down to the finish. We're just going to be short on this video, so it is what it is. So you all stay tuned. We'll be putting out another one right behind this one.